guys, welcome back to my little New York series. Some time has passed since I've been in New York. Today is Saturday the 24th and we arrived yesterday, and there's currently a lot of noise outside, which is to be expected. But yesterday was a great travel day. It was actually a pretty quick one, but yesterday in general was just so long, and I am so happy to finally be here. So I'm actually in my room right now that I'm gonna be living in for the next 4 months, and I thought it was gonna be just terrible. And like, you know, it's not the best, but it's also not the worst. And I thought I would give you kind of like an empty apartment little tour before we get started cleaning and decorating. But today is going to be kind of eventful. I'm going to be moving in, and I have to go to Kleinfeld around 2 for a quick orientation with my supervisor. And then we're going to do a little bit more shopping for my apartment. And then I have kind of like an event here tonight at the apartment. So let me show you my room really quick. So as soon as you walk in is my bathroom, and like this window is a little off-putting. So I'm going to try and find something to kind of cover this so I don't have to stare at it as soon as I walk in. But this is the little bathroom. It's actually a lot nicer than I thought. I kind of like this blue tiling. It reminds me of Tiffany's. But this is just kind of everything. And then I have a mirror out. Okay, I'm gonna have to get used to that. On the front of this door. And then you walk out, and it's basically just like your average dorm room, which is fine, but the majority of the furniture is brand new and it's not like really scuffed or anything like that. But I have a window here, and then when you pan over is my closet, and there's actually a lot more room in it than I expected. It kind of like goes back this way, and same all the way over here. So I was a little bit concerned because you know your girl's into fashion, like loves her clothes and stuff. So, but this is my view from this window. I have the blinds down, so just kind of like peek through. And then you walk over here and I have another window, and it faces this building, but then you can see a lot. Oh gosh, I hope you guys can see all the buildings over there. And then it came with a little TV, refrigerator, and then over here is just my desk. This looks pretty new too. The chair's a rocking chair, which is kind of cool. But this is kind of what my room looks like from this angle. So it's been a little bit since I last vlogged because I've just been trying to move in, and then I had to run over to Kleinfeld, and it was just such a fun time. Today was actually the Haley Page trunk show, and we got to meet her, which was really cool. But we just went over like some basic stuff that I need to know for next week, and I thought I would kind of show you guys what I wore today because I'm really digging the outfit. I don't know how well this is going to show on camera, but I just wore this cute little black dress that kind of ties right here. And then I wore these cute little snake kitten heel shoes. I don't know. By the way, look at this bruise. Look at how disgusting it is. I actually fell up my stairs last week and it really hurt, but it's healing. And then I'm just wearing these Sheila Fajl earrings. I'm really into it. It's really simple but super cute. So after Kleinfeld, my mom and I just got a few things at Bed Bath & Beyond, and then we walked back, and guess what happened? We passed Anthony from Queer Eye, and it was just so exciting to see him because he is my absolute favorite on the show, and it was just weirdly in like such a normal setting. Like I was just walking and he passed by, and he was just so cute in his little workout wear. He had like this headband going on and like tall tube socks with his white sneakers. It was just so cute. But I did kind of want to show you guys some progress with my room so far. Okay, so it looks a little messier than before, but we've actually done a whole lot. We're about to put the bed together, and I actually got a tapestry to put up on this wall, and I'll show you guys that in a second. But the biggest thing we got done was my closet. There's a lot of black and white going on, but that's like all my work clothes. And then have some shoes up here, have first aid stuff up here, purse, more shoes down here. And then I just got like all of my drawers and stuff put together. Hi guys, so it is the next day now. Honestly, I just came back and passed out last night after the whole neighborhood tour thing that I had with my residency. It was fine, I guess. I was just so tired and like so sore from moving, but I just came back and slept. And you'll see I put up a little something in my room. I'm not gonna do a full room tour just quite yet until I get it the way I want it, because not too much progress has been made, but I do want to show you guys what I did with my bathroom. So this is the progress I have so far with my bathroom. It's pretty much done, but I just got my shower curtain up, and then the cool thing about this mirror is that it has a lot of storage, so I got all of my toiletries in there. And then I just got some hooks hung up on the back of my door to hang my towels. I'm actually getting ready to head out with my mom. We're gonna get breakfast, but we are going to the Met today to see the camp exhibit, and I am so excited. I think I'm more excited for the gift shop because I'm just such like a merch memorabilia kind of girl. But I wanted to show you guys my outfit. So I'm wearing this off the shoulder top by Z Supply, and then just some black ripped jeans by Wild Fable. Belt is from Zara, and then I just have on like these little platform sneakers from Fabric. I'll just give you guys this little update. This is the tapestry that I decided to hang up. I think it's so cute and just pretty and light, and not much just changed with the fridge, but I got my desk all organized and stuff. I'm planning to put like a jewelry tray up here because right now all of my jewelry is living in my jewelry case basically, and then this is just my makeup mirror, and I put all of my makeup in here. Hopefully when we go to the Met today though, I can find some really cute things to like hang on my walls. I do have a lot of bare walls, and I just love hanging stuff up that's cute for some reason. The big thing though is that we actually weren't able to bring my comforter, which is all white and has like pin tucks in it. So last night I just slept with a sheet and a blanket that I brought, and I just don't think that's gonna cut it. So either we're gonna have to find a comforter today, or my mom's gonna have to ship me mine. We will see, but the bed was actually surprisingly comfortable, which I was very excited about. So I will try to take you guys along today with me, hopefully get some cute like city shots, and hopefully I can film the Met at the camp exhibit. If you have not been and just want to see it, I will try to insert some footage. So I actually did a slight outfit change because I was wearing a strapless bra with that last stop, and if you're a girl, you probably hate strapless bras. And we're doing a lot of walking and stuff today, and I was like, I just don't want to be hiking that up continuously. So instead, I'm just wearing this little peasanty top from Nasty Gal, and belt is from Fabric, but same bottoms. Okay, let's go. So I am back from the Met. I've actually been back for a little while now. It was absolutely stunning and just so grand and nothing like I ever expected. If you have not been and you're in the New York area or you're traveling to New York until about, I think it lasts until September 8th maybe, please go and see it. Like if you are into fashion or anything of the sort, or you just go to the Met, please stop by and see it. It's so beautiful, so amazing. Cannot recommend it enough. But I wanted to show you guys some little things that I picked up while I was there, because like I said, I just love little memorabilia things. So I actually have an enamel pin jacket, and I like to get pins at any new places that I go, especially like museums or just big cities in general. So I got this first pin, which I'm so excited about. It's Anna Wintour, which if you don't know, she's the editor-in-chief for Vogue, and she's like pretty much the boss lady for the Met Gala. So I thought she was so cute, and her little glasses say camp. And then I got another pin, and this is Alessandro Michele, which is the creative director for Gucci. And I don't really understand this, but I think the Met Gala was like partnered with Gucci or something like that. So he was a huge face at the Met Gala. So the next thing that I got was this print. I was actually looking for a poster for the camp exhibit, but they ran out. So I got this print to hang up. This is a Moschino design, and they actually had this there, and it was so beautiful. And then this is the second print that I got, and this garment wasn't here, but this headpiece was, and it's Schiaparelli, I'm not sure how you say her, but I'm really excited to hang those. And then the next thing that I got was this tote bag, and it has Anna on it again, and I just like love the colors in it. It's so cute. And then on the other side it just says Camp Notes on Fashion. So I can't wait to carry this around. And then the final thing I got, so another thing I like to do if I go to like a fashion exhibit or something of the sort, I always like to grab a book that has the pieces and garments inside of it. So I got this huge pretty pink book called Camp Notes on Fashion, and they actually had one open at the store, and the book is divided into two. So this side opens from right to left, and then the other side opens from bottom to top. So I thought that was super cool, and I can't wait to look through this and just display it. So now we are off to grab a few more things for my room, like storage stuff, basic things like that. That'll make my life a lot easier, and probably just grab some dinner. So I will try to take you along with me. Okay, I feel like I kind of look like a train wreck because I've just been go all day, and I've been sweating, and I just feel like I am an oily gal. But I'm going to go ahead and wrap up this vlog. Before I do so, I wanted to show you guys that I hung up my prints, and they look so cute. So this is what this side of my room looks like so far. I actually just got this lamp, which I'm really excited about. But look at my prints. I got the flamingo one over here, and then the purple Moschino one over here. Like I said earlier, I'm getting a comforter, so this is not staying, and then I feel like that will completely tie the room together. But I love these two things right here. And that is it for this vlog. I thought about continuing it tomorrow, but we're honestly just gonna be out all day getting the final things for my room. Yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you did, go ahead and subscribe if you want to see any more of my New York series, and definitely give this a thumbs up. It promotes my videos to other people, and I'm so excited to give you guys more updates on my room because I am ready for this thing to be done. But I will see you guys in my next video, and I will have started at Kleinfeld by that time, so that's super exciting to look forward to. And I will see you in my next one. Bye.